In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to find Instagram users near me. If you want to add people from near your area on Instagram, then you can easily do that within a few steps. Now before you move on to the video, subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell button so you get notified for more interesting videos. Now from the home screen of your Instagram, all you need to do is tap on the search bar on the bottom and search for your location. Now the other thing you can do is tap on places and search for the exact place that you want to find Instagram users of. Now you'll have two tabs, the top and the recent tab. Now the last thing you can do is tap open the post and you can see the people that are in your area. So that's the easy process on how to find Instagram users near me. If you guys liked this video and found this video to be helpful, then make sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up.